Hello everyone. The other day I was having difficulties with TextMeshPro input field and their event attributes like OnValueChanged, OnEndEdit, OnSelect, OnDeselect, stuff like that. These are the events and you can hook up functions in the inspector. But my problem was that if I instantiate input field at runtime, how would I do that? One solution might be before I create the prefab I hook up everything, but sometimes the script needs to take the reference of another script that is in the hierarchy. If you have worked with the button system and their events, that is onClick, you can say that button dot onClick dot add listener, and then you add the function by a code. For TextMeshPro input field, what you need to do is, instead of using the lambda expression for TextMeshPro, you need to use delegate, and just like that you can add or subscribe or unsubscribe from events on runtime. That's all. I thought it was a quick fix for my solution, and it might help you as well. Thank you for watching, and remember, take care of yourself and people around you.